It's another Lighthouse Labs. Are you ready? Let's do it. Yeah, that's right. I've got even more to talk to you about. Hopefully you're not going too crazy yet, but I love Odoo. And the reason I love Odoo is because it just makes my life more organized and more simple. What used to take me 10 different apps, I can do all under one. So today what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at project management. Are you paying for Monday.com or Asana or any of these types of things? Trello? Gosh, you might be overpaying. No, seriously. Did you know that a lot of Odoo's features can be available in a community edition for free? That's right, free. If you watch the other videos, those modules are free. You can get started right away. You just got to reach out to us. But today we want to take a look at project management, and I want to show you how to make your life just a little bit easier. Once again, it all starts from the launcher in Odoo, and you can see I've gone ahead and already opened up the project app and installed it for us. But if you needed to, you would just go into apps, find the app that you wanted to install that's applicable to your business need, and just hit activate. Within just a few moments, the app will install and you'll be ready to go. All right, with that out of the way, let's take a look. We've got two new icons, To Do and Project. Now the To Do app allows us to create a task list and keep up on everything going along. This is more about your personal activities and actions that you need to get done, and it helps you just sort of keep your life straight on a non-project basis. But for this conversation, I want to talk to you about projects. So in projects, let's take a look at our office design project. We'll go ahead, we see all of our open projects listed right here for us, along with all of the tasks, as well as milestones that may be reached, activities if there's some coming up, like this one you can see. There's a meeting coming up for this one, where we need to examine the project status. And if I need to, I can just schedule an activity right on the fly. That simple. All right, let's dive right in. Now we have our client, our tasks here. I could click new up here, or I could click new down here and just say my new task. Add who needs to get it done, add any activities, or I can go into it and I can add all kinds of details about this task. You'll also notice that if you've got sales installed, you can actually line this up with a sales order item so that the project task is now billable. Up here we can control what phase or stage that this task is in. So if I wanted to, now this is no longer new, it's going to be in progress. And when I click back into Office Design, you'll see there's my new task. I can also, just like all the other Kanban boards, drag and drop wherever that task needs to go. One of the powerful features of Odoo is this chatter on the right-hand side, allowing me to send messages, log notes, and create activities for virtually anything in the system where you see the chatter. Got a complicated task? Create subtasks right here. And now you can make it so that that item blocks that task before you can complete. Now, some great features about how Odoo can handle project, especially if you're using the sales process, is that product items can trigger either tasks or projects to be created on the fly. This means that, let's say that you, in our furniture example, you create a custom desk for somebody. When that process, there's probably a consulting phase. When that item is ordered, it can create a project for that customer with a list of tasks already assigned to it and what needs to happen in order to prepare that desk. You didn't have to do anything. It was created the moment the sales order was confirmed. And that's it. That's all we have to do to Odoo it.